Hey, beautiful souls. I pray that you all are having a blessed day. So far, I'm showing you guys an easy way to meal prep for breakfast. So this is a nice healthy toast idea. I was gonna make avocado toast, but my avocado was trash. So here we have toasted bread, smashed sweet potato, sauteed spinach, pan-seared zucchini with an egg on top and some roasted peanuts and cashews. Very simple, very easy and delicious. This is something that you can prep ahead of time and in the morning just assemble. Just look at that. Just look at that. Healthy and delicious. So let's not wait any longer. Let's get into the recipe. The sweet potato, we're gonna add oil, salt, and black pepper. Okay, I'm just gonna give that a toss. I'm gonna pop it into the air fryer on 350 degrees until they are fork tender, and it might be about half an hour. We're gonna add oil, salt, and black pepper. So, zucchini done. All right, so in this pot, I just have a little bit of oil and water. Adding our spinach, adding salt, black pepper. We're gonna add red pepper first. Yum. Roasted cashews. You can just pop some cashews in the oven for a few minutes. Yeah, and some sweet and spicy peanuts, and then I tossed it with some extra cayenne pepper. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and just drizzle a little bit of oil, salt, and pepper. All right, our sweet potato, air fried sweet potatoes all done. And now the great thing about this as a breakfast meal prep is that you can meal prep it. It's simple. You do a batch of your spinach, you do a batch of your zucchini, you have your nuts together, you have your batch of sweet potato, you have your bread, and the last thing we have to do is just make the egg. But the point of making is you get to prep all of this ahead of time. Just whatever suits your schedule. But this is an excellent meal prep idea, excellent breakfast idea, and it's healthy. Will give you a lot of what you need for your morning to get through your day so that you're not as hungry throughout the day. A lot of time we're not eating because we're hungry. We're eating for other reasons. Emotional eating, comfort eating. It's not always because we're hungry. So if you focus on actual hunger, then this will last you for a good amount of your morning and early afternoon until it's time to have a snack, lunch, or dinner if you have an early dinner like me. So let's get into this egg.